Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Gan of Python. Till this point we have covered in the last tutorial. Okay, hope this will make sense. If you have any query in this, please comment me guys. Now moving further, I will show you one example and one method as well. Let's say we have this data set and let's say continue number we have till 3 and two unknowns we have and 6 and 7. Okay, we need to fill the this NaN with the continue in the continue way. So how we will do that? Simply we'll do a dot interpolate inside. I'm gonna use the method equals to here I'm gonna use the values. If you put the values, you can see here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 in the continue way it is filled. Now you can see here these two are NaN before 3, after 3 4, then 5. Okay, you can notice over here that we are getting in the continue way. So hope this will make sense guys. Now if you have 5 and 6 over here, so it will take the mean and you'll get the result accordingly, right? Now moving further, we are taking some more example, means some more methods to and we'll plot that over here. So now we'll not do in this way, we'll do directly in this way. We will know the difference between each of the methods. Okay, now till the polynomial we have did. Now moving further, we'll do the spline. Okay, so simply I will copy this here, I'll paste it over here, and I will remove the comment, and here I'm gonna use the spline, and here also we need to use the order. Okay, and I'm gonna change the color, and so let's say sky blue, and okay, you can see here we got the graph, and we'll change the name as well, that is spline. Okay, you can see over here I will show you with this polynomial both are same. You can see over here that is second order polynomial. The line is going to through this one, but little bit difference over here we can see. Okay, right guys. Now moving further, we have some more. So the next method we are gonna use, that is piecewise. Sorry, piecewise polynomial. I'm gonna copy this, and here no need to use the this thing guys. Here order no need. I will remove order from here as well. Once you will execute, I will change the color as well. Let's say brown. You can see here the graph we are getting in a different way, or with this graph, with this polynomial and spline as well, right? So we'll take some more example, some more methods, and the next we are using the, that is KROGH, frog. Okay, I will change here as well, and label as well I will put it in a different. Here guys I need to change this spline to the, let's say piecewise, and here I will change the name, that is fog. Sorry, this should be changed. Okay, this should be changed. What we can put? Okay guys, I don't remember the color now, so I'm gonna comment it out, this one, this as well. and let's see how this will work. Okay, what is the error? Invalid augment. Interpolate alpha. Okay, color. You can see here that this graph is going down and going like this, but the original we see the original, that is this one. What we have, the original, that is data, but it should be in a linear format, right? So the our original means the original data is going like this in a linear way, but this is going to this way. So this is not a case that we can that we will use this method in a further calculation. Okay, so this is a exceptional case that we can't use this one. We should not use this one because this is not in a linear way, and this is going down and then again is going up. Okay, so hope this will make sense, guys. And next steps, next method as well we have, that is uh, is I will change here percentage, and I will change here as well, that is percentage, and here as well I will change percentage. Let's see how this will work. I will comment it out this as well. You can see this is same as what we got before that in the cog method, right? Okay, this barocentric and cog both are the same, so we should not use this one because this is harmful to our more predictions, what we are gonna do with this data set, right? If you use the interpolation method in this with this barocentric, so your maybe prediction maybe go wrong. So while choosing the method of interpolation, you should remember this should be in the linear format, right? Now moving further, we have p-chip method, so we'll use that one. P-chip here as well. P-chip here, I'm gonna use the p-chip. Okay. Something goes wrong. Marker size should be, you can see over here that we got the graph. Let me comment it out. You can see here we got in a linear way, so maybe this you can use for the further calculation for to fill the NaN. Okay, now we have the last one, that is Akima. Let me do last method, that is Akima, and here also we'll change the Akima. Here the method Akima. Let me comment it out this as well. You can see here this is also a linear format, so whether you can use this as well. Okay, so these are the 10 methods that we have used to fill the NaN, or you can say the to know the NaN values for the in the interpolation. These are the methods that we can use to fill the NaN, right? Now I will show you all of these method in a one graph. This will not make any sense, but okay, we can see, you can see here that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. We have 10 methods. One more we have, that is value. We have already seen over here. Okay, so like this, these interpolation methods we can use to fill the NaNs, to know the unknown values with the known values, right? We have some mathematics behind this one. How we got these values means, either we have done the mean or mean mode, or what we have did over here. We have some mathematics behind this, the output. Okay, if you want more details, please let me know or comment me, guys. And hope this will make sense how to know or how to find out the NaN values of your data inside your data, if you have NaN in your data set, right? So that the NaN should be this should be removed from your data set, so that you can, for the further calculation, your prediction will be very well correct, right? So in the next tutorial we will see some more stuffs with the pandas. Thank you, guys, and please like and subscribe to my channel for more motivation. Thank you.